So let's unpack the pulse oximeter that I got from Amazon. Link is given in description. This is Dr. Vaku fingertip pulse oximeter. It has bright rotating display, low power consumption, it has auto shutdown, it is portable and easy to use. It shows plethysmograph, blood oxygen saturation level, pulse rate and perfusion index. So the product comes with limited 1-year warranty and register your 1-year warranty within 24 hours of receiving the product. One pulse oximeter, it contains 2 AAA batteries, and 1 QC certificate, 1 manual, one hand strap. Read the user manual for any clarification. It's easy to read, 2-color display. There is low battery indicator. Particularly suitable for persons with heart failure, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, bronchial asthma. Suitable for sports at high altitudes, example mountaineering, skiing and aviation sports. This product is made in India. Cautions are explosive hazard. Do not use the oximeter in environment with inflammable gas such as some ignitable anesthetic agents or other materials may occur. Do not use the oximeter while the testee is under MRI or CT scanning. Press the power button. Put your finger inside the oximeter. And before seeing the reading, you need to wait for 30 seconds to find your result. It's very affordable and a must use. I truly recommend it. MRP is 2,999. I got this at 73% discount at rupees 800. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such updates.